Friends, may dalawa akong reasons, no? And as well as dalawang disclaimer din why the endowment plan is the better way to invest through life insurance, no? So, in a previous video nga, na-discuss ko yung VUL and para kanino nga talaga to bagay, okay? And essentially, for savings lang talaga yung VUL, okay? So, mapipilitan ka lang mag-save, tapos parang not so priority na yung kuan para patubuin yung pera mo. Right, mga friends? Kung gusto mo nang may return sa pera mo, okay, sa endowment plan, yung mas okay mag-invest. Right, mga friends? So, these two reasons are guaranteed cash payouts, okay, sa endowment plan. Yun nga yung meaning ng endowment it's a parang gift na rin, okay? Pero basically, binibigyan ka, okay? You're endowed something, okay? Kaya may slang na well-endowed. Anyway, tapos yung pangalawang reason is tax-free na investment tong endowment plan, no? Basically, pag mag-invest ka sa life insurance, including VUL, yung returns mo noon are tax-free, alright? Tapos yung disclaimer na rin, no? Na yung dalawang disclaimer na I think dapat na talaga natin matandaan, okay, is that an endowment plan may or may not have dividends, okay? Tapos, pag mag-invest ka through an endowment plan, hindi talaga 100%, okay? Or parang, how to explain this? Basta hindi talaga siya 100% dahil you're still paying for life insurance benefits. At its core nga, no, an endowment plan is still a life insurance plan, no. So i-elaborate natin yun further, okay? So ma-elaborate natin further tong reasons and tong disclaimer ko ano. So with the guaranteed cash payouts, mga friends, typically an endowment plan will have you invest first for a couple number of years, okay? I've seen it ranges between 2 to 20 years, no. Okay, yun yung mga parang common na paying periods, okay. Tapos after nun, may set number of years where you're already being endowed yung pre-promise na cash payouts. Right, mga friends, may mga nakita rin akong ibang plan na magpe-payout na even if hindi ka pa tapos magbayad. Alright, mga friends. Nasa inyo na yun kung paano nyo i-compute yun, okay? Pero yeah, especially for the longer paying periods na endowment plans, okay? Siguro mga a third or halfway throughout the paying period, nagsisimula na mag-cash payouts. As always, mga friends, the longer the paying period, the smaller nga yung premium nyo, okay? Tapos of course, the shorter the paying period, the bigger your premium is gonna be. Alright, mga friends? Naalala nyo ba yung CAP, okay? That is essentially an endowment plan, okay? Tapos of course, nandun din yung mga ibang klase ng plan na parang they'll market it as pang college plan, okay? So of course, pang tuition ng college para sa bata when the time comes, okay na magbabayad na. So yung mga yun, endowment plan yun at its core. Right, mga friends? Tapos, yung pangalawang reason naman natin why it's a good it's the better way to invest is that, well, hindi rin siya better way, pero parang a good thing to remember about investing nga in general is yung tax na you're gonna have to pay, no? And na-mention ko nga kanina, pag mag-invest ka through insurance, tax-free yung yung returns mo, yung returns mo, hindi na yun subject to withholding tax. Right, mga friends? Advice ko rin yun sa inyo, no? Pag magsisimula ka kayo mag-invest sa yung mga financial assets, okay? Yung stocks, even yung real estate, okay? Looking out for the tax returns mo is a wise thing to do. Right, mga friends? Doon naman tayo sa disclaimers na binigay ko, mga friends, no? So, unahin natin yung dividends, okay? A dividend is basically the extra income ng life insurance provider na, kung meron silang extra income, bibigyan nila sa ano nila, sa clients nila, sa investors nila ba. Alright, mga friends. Ayun ano, hindi siya guaranteed kasi they'll say na may or may not have. Okay? Of course, it's nice to have pag ano, nabigyan tayo. Alright? Tapos, usually may sometimes sasabihin nila kung up to what percent lang, okay, yung mabibigay nila sa inyo. Alright, mga friends. Tapos, yung pangalawang disclaimer nga, no, na hindi nga talaga 100% yung ROI mo, no? Okay. Parang hindi talaga you'll not make more than what you paid ba. Pero may maiuwi ka lang, okay? May mare-return sa inyo na particular percentage, okay? Kasi nga, you're still paying for life insurance benefits, basically, no? Kasi pag mag-invest ka nga through an endowment plan, okay, bibili ka muna, yung unang binibili mo is life insurance benefits nga, okay? Tapos nasa sa'yo na yun if gusto mo dumagdag ng mga health insurance riders, okay? Pero yeah, i-compute nyo yung total premiums paid nyo, okay? So, multiply nyo yung premium per year times the number of years you're paying. Tapos yung cash payouts, yung promised na cash payouts, ayun, parang i-percentage nyo ba? Okay. So, yeah, nasa sa inyo na yun kung parang kontento na ba kayo na ito yung particular amount na maiuwi ko after paying for insurance protection, no? After paying for insurance benefits. Alright, mga friends. So yeah, yun yung that is my argument for why the endowment plan is the better way to invest through insurance. Alright, mga friends. Sabihin nyo sa agent nyo kung may kakalala kayo. Tanungin nyo kung may plan ba kayo na meron yung guaranteed cash payouts. And what that most likely means to them is yung endowment plan nga. Alright, mga friends. So yun lang. I hope may na-learn kayo, no? Okay? Follow or subscribe to my channel, okay? Yung links for Insta, FB, TikTok, and YouTube na doon sa bio ko, no? Alright, mga friends. So as always, salamat for watching and kita-kits sa sunod. Alright, mga friends.